Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back. My name is Tom. I'm an engineer here with Bernzomatic. Today I'm going to show you some tips and tricks for using our OxyMap brazing torch. This torch uses MAP Pro fuel for high heat content and uses oxygen for combustion to maximize the efficiency of your flame. To turn this torch on, you'll first want to crack the fuel open just to get a little bit of gas flow. Then you'll want to dial it back to make sure that the flame is attached to the outlet of the torch. From there, you can start introducing the oxygen until you start to see the flame turn blue. At this point, the application of what you want to do with the torch is going to determine the size of the flame you need. For brazing, you can go with a longer inner cone and have a higher fuel content. For cutting and other processes, you'll want to introduce more oxygen for a much smaller, shorter cone. Now, to turn this torch off, you'll first want to make sure you cut the oxygen first, and then the fuel second. Any residual fuel in the hose will be coming out. You can blow it out. Just make sure everything is all the way shut. And that's the OxyMap brazing torch. For more information, you can go to bernzomatic.com. We have instruction manuals. We also have project ideas. You can find all your torch needs there.